dude. Live. And check this out. Check this out. We have got a broken Shun tip. Repairing knife edition. That's how you fix it. Ready. Here we go. All right, we're going to take her on down to the 1x30 right here. 120 grit belt. Could probably go with 80 grit, but see how this 120 does. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Stay right there. Yeah. Bam, baby. Hey, follow me right here. Keep following me, you little weirdo. Good. Don't take long. Got a tip on there. We are going to refine it a little bit more, but not bad. Not bad. That's it. That is it, cowboy. Got a new tip on there, okay? You see that little sucker? Bing, ching, wang, chang, dude. Oh, the wang, here we go. Now let's sharpen it. Here we go. Boom, boom. Talk to me right here. Camera's got to stay right there. Here we go. Here we go. Follow me right here with my hand. Come on down to the 30 grit town. Dude, safety first. Be getting shocked out here in the wintertime. Dry air, static electricity. You know what I mean? It's a little doodad on, dude. It's from a buddy Jordan over there at Sturdy Controls, they say. All right, next belt. Coming on up, baby. Here we go. 600 grit. Talk to me. Man, I'm going to have to move this damn camera down so y'all can't see. Lower it, dude. Right here, something like that. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. Nothing fancy. Wing, ching, bang, chang. Okay? Y'all know the drill. Oh, yeah. Hmm. Here we go. Follow me down here. Okay? This way. Take it to the house, dude. Take it to the house. Spray a little alcohol on a little do-rag. Talk to me right here, dude. Yes, sir. Follow me right there. There we go. There we go. Little Shun time. Here we go. Moment of truth. Will it slice? Well, we're about to find out. Yeah, it slices all right. Yep. Yeah, dude. Bang! Watch your damn fingers, okay? Watch your fingers. See ya.